Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload pictures at highest quality on Instagram every time. So make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. So make sure to open your Instagram and log in with your account, and once you log in with your account you will be at the home section of this page. So what you can do is just click on the profile icon on the most right corner on the bottom of the screen, and from here once you see that, just make sure to click on the three lines on the upper right corner, and once you click here you will be basically in the settings and activity, and from here just make sure to scroll down and you can see like multiple settings, all the settings what you see, and your app and data. So make sure to go to this section, your app and media, and once you find this section you can read like device permissions, accessibilities, language, and media quality. Like make sure to find this option called media quality and open this one like media quality, and from here once you open that make sure to turn this option on like upload at highest quality, and once you turn it on, after that your all media will be basically uploaded at highest quality every time. You do not need to change the settings every time, basically you select it once and that will be saved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can change your media quality to highest in Instagram.